Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque monthly beauty box versus Mask Maven, and these are for April. Do you want to know what just came in my bag and box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Beauteque monthly for April just arrived, and I tell you guys, they always ship out at the very end of the month, which we normally get in the first week of the month, but right now with all these shipping problems, it's being delayed, which I'm totally fine with. It's to be expected right now, so let's go ahead and dive into these and see what we have. We'll go through Mask Maven first because it's a little bit easier, and then we'll go through the beauty box and see what is inside of that one. Now they both have the same theme, just they're different. So let's get this open and see what we have this month. Oh, and a little bit of an update. 2 months, like last month's video, I told you they didn't respawn back to me with the masks from the month prior. But after my video, they responded and they replaced them with no problem. So it did take a little bit, but again, with everything going on, it just took longer than expected, but they did fix it. So this month is called Relax and Unwind, April 2020. Now for the Mask Maven, they go over the masks and why they chose them, but they don't go over pricing, only on the beauty box. So we can go through these really quick. The first one right on top is a pocket pack of aloe. So that is really neat. This is not a sheet mask. Normally you get sheet masks, but sometimes you do get things that are not sheet masks, or you could get a hair mask or a foot mask, or you can get different things. So here's the first one. This one is a sheet mask, and that is what that one says. Then we have is a mugwort. We've got this before, and I like the bubbly ones. So here's a black oxygen bubble mask that bubbles up. Here's another bubble mask, but this one is a tea tree. I don't think I've got this one, so I'm interested in trying that. Then we have honey. And this one right here, I'm gonna say looks like it would be a blueberry because those look like blueberries. Oh, on the back it does say blueberry essence mask. So that is for blueberries. And I love when they give you a 2 or a 3 step. And this one is a 3 step. So you have step 1 is a cleansing foam. Then you have the mask, and then you have a brightening cream to put on afterwards. So you have a 1, 2, 3 step. I like the 3. I like the multi-steps. It makes it a little interesting. And then this one looks like it might be a 2 step because it looks like there's a golden rice mask on top, and then it looks like it says rice something or other. So it looks like you're gonna put the sheet mask on and then put a little bit of this on afterwards. So there's that. So this is everything that came in the Mask Maven for last month. Now let's go ahead and go with Beauteque Beauty Box and see what we have inside that one. So that's this. And let's cut the tape and see what we have. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. And again, it's the same thing, but this one does go over pricing. And then this is what it looks like when you look inside. Looks like we have a lot of big products this time, so I'm really excited to see what everything is. So let's open up the card. Let's get ready. Okay, so the first item looks like it would have been one of 2. It would have been this one right here, which should be a hand cream linen cotton, or the other one was a magnolia. This is by Sam. That does go in this box quite a lot, and I do like everything that I've got from them so far. But this is a nice large size hand cream. I do like the color being teal. So here's that. I have so many hand creams open right now. I'm gonna leave this one sealed, so when I'm done with one, then I can put this in its place and open it up. But this is valued at $16. And this says, pump out a pea-sized amount into the palm of your hand and rub together until fully absorbed. So you would have had 2 different variations depending on which one they sent. So there's that. Then the next thing says lavender foot cream. And if you know, I do not like lavender or the scent whatsoever. So I will probably pass this down to somebody. But it's a foot cream in lavender. And this is valued at $8. I'll show you what it looks like. The actual product is in this right here. And this says, this lotion gives a cool and refreshing feeling to dry, cracked feet. It is formulated to penetrate the skin to deliver hydration and elasticity to the skin on your feet. This non-sticky, non-greasy product is formulated with sunflower seed oil, pomegranate extract, lavender extract to give you the best results possible. So that is really neat, especially like if you did a foot mask. Then once your feet are all cracking and everything, then you can follow up with something like this to maintain and keep them nice and smooth. But again, I will pass that product down. I don't want to get a headache because that stuff gives me a headache, the smell of lavender. So now we have is a charcoal peel off mask. This is detox and purify all-in-one care for pore, skin elasticity, and skin tone by charcoal. So there's the package. Now this would have been one of two things. You would have got the charcoal or a 24 karat gold collagen mask. Both of them are $10. This is what the actual product looks like. Now you guys, I don't prefer peel off masks, so I will probably go ahead and save this one as well. Normally this box, I don't save anything. I normally use everything, but for those two products, I'd rather give them to somebody who will use them. So this right here says damage care treatment, sleek and smooth. Is this a hair mask? I really, really hope this is a hair mask. Damage hair care treatment. Yes, this is valued at $15. Dry damaged hair? No need to panic. Sit back and relax while this treatment uses the nourishing qualities of argan oil to transform your hair. This treatment is sulfate free, ammonia free, and formaldehyde something free. So there's no stress about harsh chemicals or drying ingredients. On slightly damped hair, apply the treatment from root to tip, concentrating the product on the ends of your hair. Leave the treatment on for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse off. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh wow, yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to try that. That smells amazing. Argan oil naturally helps increase hair's elasticity and restores shine. So I'm definitely gonna put that in my shower and use that. And again, that is valued at $15. So now we have is a hair drying towel. These do go around in boxes from time to time. And this is a hair drying cap. This is valued at $8. If you wanna kind of see what it looks like, it shows that right there. And it says this microfiber towel was designed to wrap and trap the moisture in your hair after washing. This can eliminate frizz and create less friction on your strands while you use it. It can remove more dirt and residue than regular cotton towels. After showering, wrap your hair in the towel to secure. Wait until all moisture is absorbed into the towel, then remove. So we have a little towel that we can put on our hair to take all of that wetness out. I normally just throw mine up in a towel, and now we have a mask for your hiney. This is Miracle Shape Up Buttocks Mask, and you get one pair of two masks for your cheeks. So cheeks it up, you guys. This is valued at $6. Nothing but the best for your skin. The skin of the butt is often ignored, but it's a common area for acne and stretch marks. This mask will transform the skin by delivering collagen and hydration to restore elasticity to the sensitive skin on your behind. Open the pouch, unfold the mask, attach the mask using hip shape as the guide. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove. So we do get different types of masks in this box. I think one of the boxes, I'm not sure if it was this box or the other one I was getting like 2 years ago, had one for the girls even. This is for your Beauteque. So this box has a butt mask. We have a hair mask. We have a face peel off mask. We have a foot lotion. And we have a hand lotion. I think this is an amazing box. Oh, and we have the howl towel, the hair towel. I think I tried to mix those two words together. We have a hair towel too. So I think this is an amazing box yet again. They normally send really neat products. If you guys want to check them out, they will be down below. If you want a little bit more information, I'll let you know right about now. So Beauteque monthly is $24 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $23. If you do 12 months like I did, it brings it to $22, and shipping is in addition. Calling all beauty enthusiasts. Full-size products, you'll get 6 full-size products delivered to your door monthly. Receive an assortment of skincare, makeup, body and hair care, and much more. Now, when it says makeup, there has been makeup in here from time to time. Like there's been a highlighter, lip gloss, lipstick. There's been, I think, an eyeliner, mascara, little things like that. Sometimes there's like a single shadow of eyeshadow, but mainly this box is just skincare. It's rare for them to throw out some makeup items, but it's happened because I've been getting this now for 2 years. So it's happened. Now the mask Maven is $15 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $14. If you do 12, like I did, it brings it to $13. Shipping is an addition, and you will get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door. Sometimes they could also do wash-off masks, eye and lip patches, hair masks, and more. And if you order by the 15th of the month, you will get the same box for that month. So if you were to order by the 15th of this month, which is really not much time now, then you would get this month. So if you order after the 15th, you will get next month, which you won't get until the following month, basically. But I do like this. I do like getting both to show you the mask versus the mask Maven versus the Beauteque monthly. And I'm really glad that I'm doing both. Plus I love sheet masks, so the more the merrier. And then if I start getting too many when I send out giveaways, I toss them in for you guys too. So it's a win-win. So that is everything for both boxes. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? What did you think of the Mask Maven versus the Beauteque Beauty Box? Do you get them? Do you want to get them? Let me know all the details down below in the description box. Your positive feedback is greatly appreciated, and I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.